Okay, so those are some rules in adding S or ES for a regular noun. Okay? So those are some of the rules that we need to remember when adding S or ES to a regular noun. Okay, so let's see. So we will be playing the first round, the regular nouns. Okay, so Ed is asking you a question. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's begin. Identify the singular and plural form of the given words. Forks. What's the singular of forks?
Fork.
Okay, fork.
Fork.
How about guy?
Guys.
What do we add? S or ES? S or S. Okay, good. How about stereo?
Stereos.
S or ES?
S.
Okay, S. How about knives?
Knife.
Okay, knife. How about branches?
Branch.
Okay, good. How about hobby?
Hobbies.
Well, how do we spell?
HOBBIES.
Okay, nice. So excellent work. Because of that, Ed is giving you another badge. This time, the plural noun master badge. How many do you have now?
2.
Okay, you have already 2 badges. So let's play the second round.
The
The second round, irregular nouns. So Ed is asking you a question again. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So irregular nouns. Tell whether the underlined word is singular or plural. Okay? Alright.
Okay.
Let's begin. My teeth hurt.
Plural.
Plural. Nice. The mouse jumps.
Singular.
Singular. Okay, good. There are some sheep in the field. R. R. So we have
Plural.
R. Okay, so we have plural. Nice. The goose lays eggs.
Singular.
Nice. John is the child of Mr. Mendoza.
Singular.
Singular. Okay, nice. 1. Because of that, Ed is giving you another badge. This time, the plural noun master. How many badges do you have now?
3.
Okay, you have now 3 badges. Let's proceed to the third round. So what's in the picture? Okay, so Ed is asking you, are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so you're ready.